Hello students, welcome to our channel. As we all know, both the CBSE and WBCHSE board published their higher secondary results on Wednesday and Friday respectively, and there has been an increase in pass percentage and hike in total scores of candidates belonging from both the boards. So in this video, I will discuss the CBSE and WBCHSE higher secondary exam result 2020 in brief. The West Bengal Higher Secondary Exam or the Ucha Madhyamik results 2020 were published on Friday 17th of July. As informed earlier, the West Bengal Board will not release any merit list for WBHS result 2020 this year. WBHS exams commenced on March 12 and conducted till March 21. Exams were called off from March 22 onwards due to the pandemic. This year, there was an advantage on score calculating for suspended papers. Students securing the highest marks in the appeared subjects will get the same scores in the suspended papers. As many as 7,75,364 candidates registered for the WBHS examination this year, in which 7,61,583 have appeared and 6,80,057 qualified the exam. A total of 30,220 candidates have scored above 90% score in the WBHS result this year. Kolkata district tops in WBHS result 2020, followed by West Midnapur and East Midnapur in second and third positions respectively. In WBHS result 2020, Science stream recorded the highest pass percentage with an overall pass percentage of 98.83%. Pass percentage of Commerce stream recorded at 92.22%, while pass percentage of Humanities stream stood at 88.74%. Compared to last year, the pass percentage of the WBHS result has improved by 3.84%. The pass percentage of WBHS 2019 result was 86.29%, while this year pass percentage recorded at 90.13%. The pass percentage of boys recorded at 90.44%, while success of the girls stood at above 90%. This year, West Bengal Board conducted exams for 37 papers. Students will get WBHS mark sheets from July 31, 2020. All the schools should sanitize their campuses before distribution of hard copies of the WBHS mark sheets. So now let's talk about the CBSE board exam results. On Wednesday, 15th of July at 12 pm in the afternoon, CBSE board formally declared the CBSE 12th result 2020 for senior secondary students. The surprise announcement of CBSE class 12 results truly came as a surprise to students, parents and other stakeholders including teachers and even school principals. Going by the data shared by the CBSE board so far, there has been a sharp increase in the total number of students securing 90% and above marks in the CBSE 12th result 2020. In total, around 1,57,934 have secured above 90% marks in the results. This amounts to 13.24% of the total number of these as compared to 7.82% in 2019. On similar lines, the percentage of students securing above 95% marks has also grown to 38,686 from 1.47% to 3.34%. This year, the performance of government schools has improved significantly. Last year, the success ratio among government-run CBSE schools across the country stood at 87.17%, which has grown this year to 94.94%. Two government school chains spread across the country, that is Kendriya Vidyalayas and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas, have also reported higher pass percentages of 98.62% and 98.70% respectively. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal have congratulated students for their stellar performance in the Class 12 result of CBSE board. Girls have outshined boys yet again the CBSE 12th result 2020. As per the data, the overall pass percentage among girl students has been reported at 92.15% as compared to boys who have secured 86.19%. In total, girls have outshined boys by a margin of 5.96%. This year, Trivandrum region has emerged as the best performing region with overall pass percentage of 96.67%, whereas Patna region has emerged as the worst performing region with success ratio of 74.57%. 12,03,595 students were registered for this year's CBSE senior secondary exams and 11,92,961 students appeared and 10,59,080 students have passed. The overall pass percentage for senior secondary exam has been reported at 88.78%. This marks an increase of 5.38% in the success ratio as compared to 2019's figure of 83.40%. The board decided not to release the CBSE 12 toppers list or merit list 2020 as the result is being declared during the unprecedented times of COVID-19. The CBSE Class 12th result has been compiled on the basis of the new assessment scheme announced by the board earlier, and therefore the board has decided not to publish toppers list for the year 2020. So these were the 12th board exam summary of this year. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.